pray for a nation, Iran. And I also say I'm seeing a tension between Iran and Israel. The tension of I want to fight, you want to fight, because if that should happen, it will be very serious than any other one you have ever witnessed. This one will be different from others. This is why we don't want fight. If this kind of fight start, every other you have read about is an atom. This one will be an element. You know, atom to element. How big is the size? So that this one is not issue of fighting the country to country, but the whole world should begin to pray that this should not happen. They should come to understanding and dialogue. Because if this thing happen, many countries will join in support of others. Trouble has come. And it will not be issue of, come on. I'm talking to you, you are talking to me, it's between me and you.
I will not agree.
I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not. God should stop two of us. If not, come. You want to support this man to fight me. You want to support me. You want to support this man. Come. You want to support this. You want to support me. You want to support me. What is coming?
World war.
So this is why I say it's not like others. The whole scenario is not like others. So please, we should be very careful all over the world. It's not like others. Others may just go. But this one, it will spread.